Less than 2 hours trading plus 4% profit using the Price Action Traders Institute strategy. Please remember to hit subscribe, and if you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade, visit my website uk2asia.com. Let's get straight over to the charts. I'll quickly run through these charts showing the trades I'm holding at the moment. The Euro US dollar, taking this long, got in this at 89 as it came through entry criteria. Looking for that further upside movement. Euro Japanese yen, again took this one long. Got this at 64 as it came through an entry point. Big deep pullback here, almost hitting my stop loss, but pulled back up again, and it's holding above that entry level where I got in. Pound US dollar, seeing this lovely move up. Again, I took this and saw that deep pullback. I thought it was all going to go wrong and get stopped out, but now it's turned around again. It's continued to move up, almost at that 20 level right now. Pound US dollar. Pound Japanese yen, again, exactly the same with this. We saw that pound moving up throughout the Asian session, holding up here nice and then pulling back deep, and now it's on its way back up again. Got my take profit up at 80 on this, and looking for that further upside movement. Australian dollar, US dollar, not really doing a great deal on this pair, but it's still in profit, showing a little bit of profit from where my entry point was. In fact, what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to pull my take profit down to 20 pips. So I've got a 2-to-1 risk to reward if that comes up and hits my take profit there. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, again, entry point was hit. Got in this at 63, looking for that further upside movement. Not doing a great deal right now. I haven't set a take profit on this, so I'll do that now, just in case it spikes up. Seen some moves on the Japanese yen this morning, seeing weakness on the Japanese yen earlier on. So I'm going to set this at 24 pips, again giving me a 2-to-1 risk to reward. And the last pair that I'm in, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, you can see again this is not, it hasn't got the big moves that we're seeing on the euro or the pound at the moment. So again, I'm going to pull this down to 20 pip profit, take profit. Again, 2-to-1 risk to reward. I've got a 10 pip stop, 20 pip take profit. So, okay, I'll leave it at that for now, and I'll be back soon. I'll pause for now and I'll be back soon to let you know if there's any updates. Okay, just running through these pairs again. We're seeing some good strong moves on these now. Euro US dollar continues to push up. Euro Japanese yen, same. Pound US dollar, pound Japanese yen. Australian dollar, Australian Japanese yen, all moving up beautifully at the moment. And the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, same as with that as well. Now I'm almost tempted to punch out of these. I could sit with them, but I'm seeing really good profits right now, and it would be nice to get an early finish today. So I'll be back in a minute and I'll let you know exactly what I do. Okay, I'll run through these charts just to show how many pips I took on each trade. Managed to punch out of those just at an optimal time. It was nice, seeing good profit, and decided to have an early day. So you can see Euro US dollar, I managed to take 17 pips on that. Euro Japanese yen, 8 pips. Pound US dollar plus 16 pips on this. Could see this was moving up and down quite a bit, as the pound has been since the Brexit problems have started. So yeah, lucky to get out of that with plus 16 pips when I did. Pound Japanese yen plus 15 pips on this. You can see that price has pulled way back down to below my entry point, which was on that yellow line there. Australian dollar, US dollar, just plus 8 pips on that. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, plus 11 pips. And the last of my trades was the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, managed to pull 10 pips on that one. So moving on to the final score, you can see that I took 7 trades, won 7, lost none. Very unusual to have no losing trades in any session, but always good when it happens. You can see that my net total of pips was plus 85, giving me a profit of plus 4% in less than 2 hours. So fantastic session, really good, excellent day, good moves, and using the criteria that we do, very easy to take advantage of that. Okay, please remember to hit subscribe, and if you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade, you can go to my website, which is www.uk2asia.com. Follow me on Twitter at uk2asia. Thanks very much for viewing the video, and I shall be back soon with another one. Thank you.